Okay, hi, this is Ariel. I'm currently working with Crown Administrators in a startup in Austin. It's an insurance company, and they do the administrative work for a health share ministry called Altra Health Share. So I was taken in as a data analyst intern, and currently I'm working with the finance team on like audits, and I had been working on their financial data, and then working closely with the CFO of the company to get the data into Excel and then find some patterns and then clean their database and all those initial works. Right now it's been 3 weeks since I had been started to work with them. Right now the thing which I do is completely on Excel. All the analysis which I do, all the trends, all the reports which I make, it's on Excel on and Power BI. Like I pull all the data from Excel and then put it to Power BI and then create some dashboards over there. That's like the main part of the job right now. And the biggest chunk of work which I do right now, it's all in data cleaning, because the data which they have all lies in Salesforce and Oracle NetSuite. Oracle NetSuite and Salesforce, they're not so compatible, I would say. Like, I mean, the data which they have, the data is not compatible with each other. It's not about the database, it's about the data they hold. So right now what I'm doing is like cleaning their data and pulling all the data from Salesforce and then NetSuite and comparing the data and then doing some cleaning and exporting the data back to um, Salesforce and NetSuite. So it's like kind of cleaning the entire thing, all the mess they had like for the last 2 years, because since the company started, they had like less technical support, and then later on the company grew up. When they started off, they had like only few members with them. Right now, they have like thousands of members. So all the data sits in their database. So they are like into the process of taking care of the database right now. That's why they got me in. I'm like the first data analyst over there. So that's what currently I have been doing. And the future things which I'll be doing is Einstein AI, which I have proposed to my CEO, and like he's also into it. We had been working closely with bringing in that system into Salesforce. Like Einstein AI is like the analytics thing which is present in Salesforce. So when I had been learning Einstein AI right now, and when I'm like completely confident with the tool, like the process which we have to go with that, I'll implement that in Salesforce, and then I'll be working on finding trends and patterns, and then bringing on more customers and clients, and like, so that is what is planned out for right now. And to talk about something which I did to get this job, the main thing is the job search. uh, During my job search, everything is like very difficult. Like every day you'll have like the hard time to find like the best time to apply, or like your best resume. All these things won't happen in a night. Like you have to put in a lot of effort and make use of your time what you have in your grad school. So first thing which I did is get into Indeed and LinkedIn, and then have a good profile over there and apply every day. Keep applying as much as you can and talk to people, network with everyone. And the main thing which I would say is like apply, keep on applying. There are a lot of jobs out there. Keep applying till until you get a perfect job. So update your resume, talk to people, give your resumes out, get it critiqued, and get a proper resume. Apart like for me, I had applied for like 500 plus jobs, and I got like 10 plus interviews, but I failed at one place, the learning part. I applied for 500 plus jobs, but there are a few interviews where like I lacked in few things they expected out of me. So if I would have been better in that part, I would have easily cracked that interview. So what I did was like I kept on applying, but side by side I failed in like learning what I needed. So I don't want you all to do that mistake. Apply every day and keep on learning and keep track of what are the things happening around you. Learn every day, learn new things. That's one thing. And the different approaches I took is like keep on applying and networking with people, and getting a perfect resume and changing my resume for based on the job description. So those are few steps. And networking and leveraging that. Nobody is gonna just like that give you recommendations, right? They have to know about like who you are and what you're capable of, and that's when you are getting recommendations. So talk to them and like make them understand like who you are, and then get yourself comfortable with them and get them comfortable with you. So that's when they'll recommend you as like a person like yes he can do it. That's when you get the recommendations. So and the tips and advices I would give, the three main things is learn as much as you can, keep yourself learning every day, and the second one is keep applying every day, keep applying. There are a lot of jobs out there. Until you find your best job, like I mean your perfect job for you, keep on applying, and you will get your right one day. And utilize career center. Like this is like one thing which I really messed up with. You know what, like I during the first semester I utilized my career center, but after that I didn't even go there. Like I should have utilized more. Yeah, even I would have got into somewhere better, or like some like big job or something, like big interns. I'm not sure, right? I would have got into some other like big places. So utilize the career center and like make better use of it. Like talk to them and get help from them. So these are the three things. Keep applying, utilize career center, learn as much as you can. That is what I want. So keep learning and study as much as you can, apply, and you'll find your dream job one day. So I hope I helped you all in like finding something or like some good tips I could give. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.